my god! Oh my god, the cabin is snowed up. We're getting snowed in, guys. This is wild. It is freezing, guys. It is due to snow. This is the coldest I've ever been in this cabin. It is freezing cold. Let's get this on. Let's get down. I'm doing a few bits and pieces in here at the moment. Just waiting on the snow to come. Horseshoes. Tiny wee horseshoes. The cabin right now. It's so cold. And there is the cabin, filled with smoke. Let's walk more towards it without not falling, because I have no light at the moment. We're walking in the stuff. Okay. Need to get more sticks and blocks in. Sitting here, UFO. I'm sitting here next to the fire. It's 12 o'clock. I got out here today at about 11:30. I can actually smell the fire from last night. Welcome back, guys, to part 25. It's the morning time right now. Whoa, camera's a bit messed up. We got snow coming on into the cabin. I thought that was going to be frozen today. So this is going to be going on now for the past week. Let's get back to the cabin real quick. Check out over there. We got the fire took out. It is an absolute blizzard. My hands were freezing doing this. I had to empty all that mush and wet out. But we're good to go and we're ready to rock and roll. We got this in. We need to get it stocked up. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. It took me so long trying to get this fire going. Look at my hands. Everything is wet. Everything is soaking. Just gotta watch I don't slip, because multiple times going in and out getting sticks. This is crazy. Oh my god. Head torch on, guys. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god, the cabin is snowed up. We're getting snowed in, guys. The cabin is getting snowed up. Why did they sit down in the sea? Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna come back to the cabin, guys. Hopefully everything is all snowed up. This is unbelievable. Check this out, guys. The cabin is completely snowed up. What a way to wake up, guys. This is so cool. Just a massive white sheet. Check out this, look at the snow. Everything is covered. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. It's morning time right now. I just woke up. I can't even see with the sun. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you so much. I'm gonna try and get another couple of videos out to do with the snow. But yeah, it's morning time right now. I'm gonna go get myself ready for today. Check this out. I'll see you in the next video. This is crazy, guys. I know I wanted snow,